Welcome to the third video tutorial on online property registration. In the previous video, we learned how to add seller and buyer details, and in this tutorial, we'll learn how to upload documents and make the online payment. After clicking Continue, next step is to upload documents. You can upload the documents by choosing Files from your system. After selecting the file, click the Upload button on the right. Click the Save and Continue button and it will take you to the preview and final submission page. Check and review the form before continuing forward. Carefully review all the details you entered. Tick the I agree box and click Submit to proceed to payment. Confirm the Submit button and it will take you to the Payment Gateway page. You will be redirected to the payment portal. There enter your bank details and complete the payment securely. Once the payment is successful, you will receive an application acknowledgement slip, which confirms that you have successfully submitted your online property registration. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.